Hi everyone, my name is Camila and today we're gonna talk about how to double check your trade. We're gonna start as usual with choosing the assets with the biggest payouts and as much as possible to fit in our screen. The timeline for the candles, the main one we're gonna use 30 seconds as usual, but we're gonna change them to double check our deals. Also the indicators, today I'm gonna use average true range and also I'm gonna use the super trend. Let's correct them a little bit. So we correct them to the one period at the time here and period one here. So we are synchronizing them at 2 moments and we're gonna use the 1 minute time frame and $500. So let's start. Let's find the asset with the finest conditions to put our deal. Okay, so let's start and we're gonna start probably at this asset. Let's see the prettiest one, the best conditions, and so let's look through. Well, I can say that this one looks very nice. Let's look through the different time frames. That's my life hack to double check the trade. So usually I use 30 seconds for candles. After that I look through 10 minutes so I can see what's happening in the market in the different time frames. As you can see, we continue to have a movement to the downwards, still same things on the indicators, and let's see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame, and we have the same situation. So I'm going to put the sell in and let's see what's gonna happen in just 1 minute right here, because I think that we're gonna absolutely win this deal, because as you can see on average true range we can see broken lines and telling us that we're going downwards. Also we have the same movement at the super trend area, and the last candles had a tail to the upwards areas that telling us that downward is pretty comfortable for us and it's very nice. So let's check in. We have just 10 seconds left till our deal's gonna close up, and I think it's gonna be wonderful because it is very interesting situation. What's gonna happen? Well, just 5 seconds, and as you can see we totally gonna win it, and guys, we having the first profit in. That is just amazing. So let's continue our double checking. I already like this asset. Let's check it for 10 minutes and let's see. Well, here is not crystal clear. As you saw on the 30 seconds we have the grow movement right here. Let's see what's happening on 1 hour. On 1 hour, in case we have absolutely different situation. As you can see, we're going for the downwards position right here. So let's swap back to the handling and I will say and put to the downwards position right here as we work with the curves. And also as you can see we had a trend for the higher movement, but I can say that I double checked with the different time frames. I already saw that movement gonna be go downwards and it will be a trend for selling. So that is what's happening right now really. Also average true range, we can see that we still going downwards, have a little tail of instability right here, but I still think that we're gonna continue our movement to the downwards area right here. A little tricky situationship, but I hope everything gonna be okay. We still have 10 seconds left. Oh Jesus, that is juicy, but thank God we have won this deal again. So it's our second win in a row and I think that is just amazing. So the next asset is pretty understandable too. Let's see what's happening here. It's kind of stable now. It's going to the downwards area. Let's check for the 10 minutes. As you can see here on the 10 minutes we see grow and movement, so that we have to remember. But on average average to range, we have a little problem with the buyers. Okay, let's see. Still the same situation on the 1 hour, so I think I'm gonna buy right here with my double checking of the situation. Also, we can see average to range showing us the situation that we are trying to push our price higher. That is very promising situation. And also, as we can see, we working with a pretty stable area right here, so we working kinda in this perimeter for a long time, so I think we're gonna be safe for this time. Also, the previous candle have a long tail to the downward area that telling us that probably, well, it's not very comfy for working downwards, and super trend giving us a trend for buying right now. That cannot be perfect situation for us, so let's see. 9 seconds left, but situation is very tricky, as you can see. Oh Jesus, we can lose right now. Honestly, we can, and we lost, unfortunately, but we are not being sad. We putting the Martingale strategy in and putting higher because we double checked the deal and we saw that the trend is going for growing, and we gonna continue to put it that way. If we gonna win this deal, we gonna close our previous deal and we gonna earn some money too. So let's see. I already see how great the story goes here, very well, so looks very nice. And let's see what's gonna happen just in few seconds, because we made all the analysis for this page already for this asset, and as you can see, it's pretty right. We just was not in a good timing for the previous deal, but here I think we're gonna be perfectly okay because price is just continue to grow, and I think that's gonna be just amazing. Wow guys, and we have the win again. Okay guys, so let's continue and let's double check this asset. It looks that we are going for the downwards area, kinda have the situation for growing after big minimum. So let's check what's happening for 10 minutes. Yes, we still have the big minimum, but we have preposition to buy, as you can see from super trend. And let's see what's happening with 1 hour. Oh, here we going for downwards for 100%, but still have the position to grow up, as you can see. Let's go back, and I'm gonna put for growing. As you can see, in a short time, the hour and 10 minutes showed us this possibility, this window to grow up. And as you can see, average to range showing us the curve to the upper position. That is very nice. Also, I think that in few moments the super trend gonna show us the trend for buying. And as you can see through easy technical analysis that we have here maximum situation, then kind of stable, then again the minimum situation, and now I think we're gonna compensate till this. So I think it will working kinda like this. So we kinda is a safe area, but we have this candle that is not very confident. Let's see what it's gonna show us, but I think that we are kinda safe. And guys, we have one more profitable deal for today. So it was my life hack how to double check your deals, so you can look through different time frame and see how the asset, how the price goes in these different time frames, so you have more understanding of the flow of the market. And I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you, so don't forget to put the likes on and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget that I have absolutely free Telegram channel where I give free signals and you can trade with me online. Also, if you have any question about the trading, you can write me in my private messages in Telegram, and I of course will answer to you as soon as possible. Bye bye.